everybody, my name is Cindy and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to attempt an unboxing. Yes, I said attempt. I tried this once and realized the volume on my son's TV was way too high. Plus I needed to find out a little bit more information on this. This is my next diamond painting. It's from Heartful Diamonds. It says Create, Love, Share Premium 5D Diamond Painting Kit. Yes. So I kind of cheated and I already opened the tape to where I don't have to do that. That saves a little bit of time. Anyway, this is the stained glass Ariel Little Mermaid. I got this from Amazon. I ordered it on the 24th of January. I received it on the 26th because of Amazon Prime. I paid $14 for it. When I checked earlier, the price on it was $16. So the price has gone up instead of down. Just so y'all know. Let's get right into it. Open the pretty box. I'm not a great big fan of pink, but it's more color than I've seen lately, so we're doing good, right? What's coming out of its bag? The box is empty. Let's set that up there. Pull it out of this little sleeve. Let's set the sleeve way over there. And we have our toolkit. Comes in a nice little zipper baggie, which I reuse those. Drill pin, single placer, 3-placer. Well, kind of sort of have to readjust my light here. Hold on. See? Now I've got the light shining in my eyeballs. But it's all good. It's all for the benefit of the show. See, there's the baggie I reuse for other things. It came with baggies. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little baggies. A little cube of wax. And a white tray with a funnel. It has a inventory sheet. Let's see if I can get that in the light good. All the pretty colors. Yeah. Now my phone don't want to focus. And there's Ariel right there. I'll have to see about incorporating in a better picture. Or maybe if I get closer, y'all can see. Turn it like that. That's what she's supposed to look like. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Set that there. The beads. The beads. Oh, wow. Look at all those 310s. And yes, these do have DMC numbers. That one looks more like a 9 than a 3, but it's 310. It's got LK004 on it, which I believe is going to be the canvas. We'll look at those in a minute. Add that to my many others. Set that aside. Now for the pièce de résistance. Ooh, at all the glitter. Check her out. Gorgeous. Check out Flounder. Isn't he so cute? It's Ariel. Now what I'm gonna do to help get it to lay flat without pulling the plastic protection cover off, if I can get this thing to roll, I'm going to roll it the opposite way. Not tightly rolled, just loosely rolled. Roll it around a little bit. And ta-da. It doesn't work with the opaque covers, but with this it does. Okay, let's see. The canvas itself has glitter off in it. There's 23 colors on this canvas. Very clear letterings on the symbols, which goes 1 through 8, and then it's got A, C, E, F, H, J, K, L, N, P, T, V, and it's got hashtags, some wavy marks, and the plus sign. But very clear and easy to read. Let's see if y'all can see that. Drill field is very legible. Now it's pulled. See how sticky we got it. Very sticky. Very, very sticky. I can't wait to start this. Matter of fact, I'm going to start kitting it up as soon as I'm done with this video, so I can do it. Turn it over. Nice flat canvas. Now for that, here comes the part. A lot of people don't like the sound of this, but I love it. I'll find myself at work and I'll hear something that crinkles like that, and I'm like, diamond painting. So, just saying, I'm addicted to this, because this means we're going to have fun, or I'm going to have fun doing some diamond painting. So, if you don't like it, plug your ears, or mute your TV, whatever you got to do, until I'm done with all this. Boy, that's super sticky. Because I'm going to kit it up afterwards. I'm not going to need this again. I'm going to set that aside. Let's see. Ooh. That's pretty purple. 155. We've got purple. A buttery style yellow, which this has got a couple of different yellows. A light purplish color. There goes those 3 tins, everybody. There's 3 fairly decent sized bags of those. Look, there's stowaways in this one. This is like a blue purple. It's a peachy pink and a peachy orange on those. That's 1 through 7. Ooh, that is a bright, vibrant red. Another pretty yellow. This is a blue-green, kind of almost a mint color. Another pinkish red. Here's a tannish color skin tone. A little bit lighter skin tone coloring. Now that's pink. And then a vibrant yellow. Those are numbers 8 through 15. So, avocado green color. A bright pink. I'm not sure what color to give this. but it's still pretty color. It's a blue-gray. It's a teal blue. A peach orange. A darker purpley blue. And then we've got a white, which I think is 5200. Yep, that is white. And those are numbers 16 through 23. Now I need to get my kits ready and start going to town on this canvas. I can't wait. If y'all liked my video on the unboxing, then give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. If you have questions or comments, post them below and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. If I don't get back to you, don't get offended because I'm one of the worst pen pals there is. So I will try, but I'm not going to promise to get back to every comment that's been put out there. I should have stated this at the beginning of the video, but I'll say it now. This is my channel. I will post on this channel what I feel is appropriate for me. If you decide to comment to someone else's comment and it's a rude response or hateful response, it will be deleted. I will not tolerate it. Fair warning, my mind stays in the gutter. On the videos to follow, if I get really perverted, you're fair warned. Let's see. I have a life and I'm going to live my life and I'm not going to mute everything for everybody's benefits. I have a son that likes to let the F-bomb fly. He's fixing to be 22. He's of legal age to do so. I have a dog. She's a full-blood German Shepherd. Her name is Shadow, and she's got my heart. I do have a daughter and a granddaughter. They live in Louisiana, so they probably won't be in the videos very often. But my son, you never know when he's going to drop by and say F this and F that or whatever. Because I've raised my children to be very straightforward, not beat around the bush. If I've got something to say, say it. And I'd much rather them cuss in front of me than behind my back. I've always been that way and will continue to be that way. However, if I'm in the middle, if I decide to start doing lives and I'm in the middle of live and I just up and leave in a hurry, I'll try to remember to say hold on. But my son has epilepsy, so I never know when he's going to have an episode. So if he goes into an episode, I will abandon the video, let it stream, but I will be back to it as soon as I get him tended to. I don't know what days I'll be posting these or trying to do lives. My sister is also a diamond painter, and we're talking about trying to do a live together, so that may be something that happens. But either way it goes, I dare to be different. With that being said, I hope y'all enjoy this video. I hope you come back for more unboxings, and I may do a couple of drill with me's. This would be a lovely one to do a drill with me. But I want to get a couple of things set up and ready before I attempt one. I may go ahead and start this, and as soon as I get everything I need set up, then we'll go ahead and do a drill with me. As I'm sitting here talking, I am noticing in the background color, which it's not going to make any difference once you get the drills on there, but in the coloring that they use for the background for this canvas, I see some white spots under the pink and the reds. It's like their ink was going out. But again, it's not going to matter. I'm going to put these on top. If I was to rate this right now, I'd say 5 out of 5. If I went up to 10, it'd be a 10 out of 10. because you can clearly see it's Ariel with Flounder, and you can clearly see all the symbols with no problem. It's a pretty thick canvas. Again, the size is a 35 by 50. That's centimeters. They've got it in inches to 13.7 by 19.6. And I don't think I have a tape measure. Well, I got a generic tape measure. Get it out of this bag, and I'll measure that before I get off of this video. It's come with a Dollar Tree kind of paper tape. It's really generic. Let's see if it's from the picture to picture or if it's from canvas to canvas. It's probably going to be canvas to canvas. Let's start there. Okay. Doing it here, it's 49 from tip of the picture to there. By .34 and 34. So it's probably my tape measure that's all kind of wonky, but anyway, close enough. It's going to be fun to do. I'm looking forward to doing it. I will be starting this today. I have a couple of pieces that I am working on in the process of doing that I've got to finish up. But I will be finishing this one this week. Probably in the next couple of days. Hopefully. So, I hope y'all enjoyed this. And I hope to see y'all again soon. Maybe in a live. And maybe in a whip and chat. Okay, I'm trying to figure out which one's got the most. And I think that's going to, well, of course we know it's going to be the 310s. It's supposed to have 5,961 310s. But I was looking for the next one up, which would be E, number 11, which is this color. Actually, no, it wouldn't be E, it'd be the F, which is number 12. That one, which this one has, feels like it's got as many as this one does, but this one is half the amount. So, with any luck, I'll have plenty of colors to keep it going. So, anyway, I will check back with y'all later. Thank you for joining me. Y'all stay safe in everything you do. Enjoy diamond painting or whatever craft you're doing or whatever you're posting to YouTube, because I plan on doing videos about travel as well and various other things. Who knows with me? I get a wild hair up my butt and decide I'm going to videotape my car just sitting there. Who knows? But you will get used to seeing wolves and whatever else I think is cute. I've got an owl with a blue butterfly on its nose that I'm ready to do too. So anyway, y'all, again, stay safe in all you do. Stay true to you. Thank you. Bye.